Hi everyone, I'm Vijay, I'm a trainer in PySpiders Rajajinagar. So here we have our placed candidate. So can you share your experience in PySpiders?
Yeah, my name is Shiva. I joined the institute on May 1st, 2024, and I got a lot of experience and I got a lot of information from our excellent trainer by Vijay sir and Lakshmika sir. And before I'm joining this institute, I getting scared to how can I get the job. And after joining this institute, I got help like giving presentations and for the guidance of lecturers, and that may helpful to get the job on this institute.
Very good, Shiva Kumar. So along with that, you are doing regular mock interviews or taking mock interviews and all. So how did mock interview will lead to you in the actual interview?
Mock interviews as I say, like when we go into the interviewer, and same like as they are connected to us, and it's more helpful to me. Yeah, but when I not get well, they are push up to make some defects what all you have not to done. But it makes helpful to what are the disadvantage we have, and I improved that, and now I crack the interview same easily.
Very good, Shiva Kumar. So which is the company which you got placed in designation?
And I got a job in as a trainee software developer.
Super. Congrats and all the best for you.
Thank you so much.